Hey guys, well it's the next morning and let's go for a little bit of a walk here. Looks like Steve's down there already with his detector. Looks like he's been dragging. Now last night we couldn't get down here for the life of us. Now there's no rocks exposed here, so we'd want a lot more sand taken away. So there we go, done a couple of holes, but doesn't look much. Julie done a dinner on this last night, and look, even this morning, low tide still coming up. Still coming up here. It's all those trees where the tree lines are. Just plain snaps them off. Hear him buzzing away. So a fair way down here now from where we normally are, and looks like he's had a few hits. Morning, Steve.
Howdy.
What have you got? What do you got for us?
Usual suspects.
Well, there's not many holes along the way there, so it can't be that flash. But she's done a dinner on there last night. Me and Steve were down here last night. It was nasty, I tell you. We couldn't get down here at all. It was wet and cold. It's taken a hell of a lot of this edge off, all the way down.
You come back down last night?
No, it was too cold. It's too wet. I was trying to get up at 4 o'clock this morning, but never made it. But I'm here now, and it doesn't look like there's much to see. Alright guys, I'm going back for a coffee.